Hey there, fellow dads! Let's face it, keeping the peace at home isn't always a walk in the park, especially when it comes to understanding and handling wife hiccups. But worry not. Today, I'm going to share with you some valuable tips on how to navigate those tricky situations and maintain harmonious relations with your wife. First things first, communication is key. Take the time to listen to your wife's concerns, thoughts, and feelings. Understanding goes a long way in resolving any issues that may arise. Next, be supportive. Show your wife that you're there for her no matter what. Offer a helping hand, whether it's with household chores, childcare, or even just lending an ear for a venting session. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Now let's talk about compromise. Marriage is all about finding common ground. Be open to finding solutions that satisfy both you and your wife. It's not about who wins or loses, but about finding a middle ground that works for both parties. Don't forget to appreciate and celebrate your wife's strengths and achievements. Show gratitude for all the things she does. A simple thank you or a small gesture can go a long way in boosting her spirits. Lastly, never underestimate the power of quality time. Make sure to spend time together as a couple and create special moments that strengthen your bond. Plan date nights, surprise outings, or simply enjoy a cozy evening at home. A little effort goes a long way. By implementing these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to harmonious relations with your wife. Cheers to a happy and fulfilling marriage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and insights.